Hi folks, welcome back to the channel again, and as promised we've got something different today, not the usual chilies, because we know we're going into planting season now, so the best is yet to come, I suppose. And today we're thinking out of the box a little bit, and we're going to look at something I've never tried before, and I think it will be a nice experience for us to go through this whole lot or the process together. And thank you to Val Exotics for our parcel that arrived today. So we're going to unbundle a little something different. They say I'm a fun guy, so I suppose it's mushrooms, eh? Yeah, it is mushrooms, and we've got 3 growing kits that we are going to unbox and go through the whole process of how to grow mushrooms at home. And once we've done that, we're obviously going to not leave it there. We're going to try something totally different and see what we can come up with, as opposed to frying mushrooms and putting it in a pasta or whatever else you normally do with it. We want to do something way different. So yeah, watch this space. We're going to open the box. I didn't want to open it before the time because I would like to get the surprise as much as you guys do as to what's in the box. So let's unbox it. And here goes everything. So this is all the way from Gauteng, Val Exotics, and believe me, this is ridiculously cheap in comparison to what the other suppliers are charging at the moment. This is in the region of a third, if not more, cheaper than what is the going rate for the other guys. So we have got in this lot 3 starter kits. Oh, we've actually got 4 starter kits. And yeah, they are. There's a white oyster mushroom, and we've got here a grey oyster mushroom, and in this one we've got a king oyster mushroom, and over here, whatever here, I believe this is a chestnut oyster. So sorry, a chestnut mushroom, not an oyster, chestnut mushroom. Let's get that right. So there we go, guys. Actually 4 beautiful starter kits for us to try, and I'm sure we've got the instructions here, and there's our instruction manual. So we're going to go through this whole lot and see exactly how we put this together for you. The one thing, these products that we've got now are ideal for growing now in the colder season. So I was advised to go with these, and we will then work through this lot and see what other products we can get. I know that I was after shiitake mushrooms, but they said to me, look, the shiitake mushrooms take in the region of 2 months before they will fruit. So let's start here where we can start doing something in a week or 2's time and harvesting and see what we can come up with. I'd like some comments from you guys as to what you think we can do with mushrooms other than omelets, etc. So drop us a comment in the comment section, and let's see what, we want to do something different. We don't want to just be another Me Too YouTube channel that does the same old, so let's try something different. So folks, what we need to do now is put our grow kits into a dark place for a few days so that the mushroom forming can start. The mycelium is meant to spread throughout the whole compound, and once that happens, then we will start with spraying it so that it can get watered, and from there we will get the growth that's necessary. Just coming back to Vaal Exotics, I would like to give them a huge shout out. The product packaged fantastically, got here in a couple of days, and really the price is phenomenal. So if you're looking at trying this, give it a bash, give them a call. Vaal Exotics, it's not sponsored by them, but they have come a long way and they've jumped on board with us, and we've got some shouting to do on their behalf. They've given us some incredible advice. They have looked at different options for us as to what we can do with mushrooms, and we are going to come out with some really, really funny stuff, which is it's nice to be able to try different things. We tend to go and do the same old. If we've got a mushroom, you do the same thing. If you've got an apple, you do the same thing. So it's nice to be able to come out and do something different and give you guys something that is not a Me Too. And I think it's time that we can think outside the box hugely. I mean, there's more space outside the box than in the box. So let's all put our heads together and see what we can come up with. And I'll tell you what, I will do the wildest one that gives us a comment for the most exotic thing, and it works. We will organize with Vaal Exotics that we can send you 3 starter kits, and that's our guarantee to you guys. So let's hear what you can come up with, and we will come up with some other things as well, and we will compare notes at the end of the day. So folks, follow us on this journey and let's do this together. I think it's going to be something really, really special. For me, I've never done it before, so let's give it a bash. If not, why not? I mean, I see there's a vinegar shortage in South Africa, so maybe there'll be a mushroom one too at some stage, so be careful. Box it up yourself.